आज का टॉपिक है ज्योग्राफी, इंडिया ज्योग्राफी के ऊपर बात करेंगे और कुछ वर्ल्ड की ज्योग्राफी। तो उसमें मेन चीज़ है कि इंडिया का ये पॉइंट आपका जो एक्सटेंशन है, यहाँ देख रहे हो, तो ये आपका सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट आपका क्या है, कन्याकुमारी, और यहाँ पे आपका क्या है, इंदिरा कोल। क्या है? इंदिरा कोल। ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर इंडिया के बीचों बीच गुजरती है। गुजरात, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा और मिजोरम। कितने राज्यों से गुजरती है? 8। ठीक है। हमारा यहाँ पे सबसे जो वेस्टर्न पॉइंट है वो है आपका गौर माता। क्या है? गौर माता। और ईस्टर्न आपका अरुणाचल प्रदेश में किबुतु। क्या है? किबुतु। और दक्षिण जो पॉइंट है आपका निकोबार में है, इंदिरा पॉइंट। क्या है? इंदिरा पॉइंट। और ये ऊपर नॉर्थ में इंदिरा कोल। क्या है? इंदिरा कोल, जो लद्दाख में। ठीक है, उसके हम बात करेंगे। अब यहाँ पे हम देख रहे, जो आपको पहले भी बताया था, एक वीडियो में पहले डाला था कि सबसे बड़ा लार्जेस्ट कंटिनेंट कौन सा है? एशिया। फिर सेकंड नंबर पे कौन सा है? अफ्रीका। ठीक है, अफ्रीका के बाद कौन सा है? नॉर्थ अमेरिका के बाद साउथ अमेरिका, फिर आपका अंटार्कटिका, फिर यूरोप, और फिर सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट कंटिनेंट कौन सा है? ऑस्ट्रेलिया। ऐसे हमारे कितने 5 ओशियन है। सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? पैसिफिक ओशियन। पैसिफिक ओशियन के एक यहाँ पे एक साइड क्या है? एशिया और ऑस्ट्रेलिया। दूसरी तरफ क्या है? नॉर्थ अमेरिका और साउथ अमेरिका। तो पैसिफिक ओशियन सबसे गहरा भी है और सबसे बड़ा भी है। दूसरे नंबर पे है अटलांटिक ओशियन। कौन सा है? अटलांटिक ओशियन। तीसरे नंबर पे इंडियन ओशियन। कौन सा है? इंडियन। तो इंडियन ओशियन है तीसरे नंबर पे। और फिर उसके बाद आप देख रहे हो चौथे नंबर पे ये साउथर्न ओशियन कहते हैं इसको, सदर्न ओशियन। और सबसे छोटा है आपका नॉर्थ पोल के पास आर्टिक ओशियन। कौन सा है? आर्टिक ओशियन। ठीक है, अब कुछ क्वेश्चनों पे बात करेंगे जो ओल्ड ईयर में आए हुए। विच ग्रीक स्कॉलर फर्स्ट यूज द वर्ड ज्योग्राफी? तो किसने किया है? इरास्टोथेनस। 276 से लेके 194 BC। ये आपके CDS 2019 में आया है। Which scholar has been given the title of father of geography? तो किसको? Eratosthenes. Who first logically discussed geography as a specific subject? तो ये आपका इमैनुअल कांट। In 1610 AD, Galileo discovered geographical evidence after the discovery of telescope. तो टेलीस्कोप का आविष्कार किसने किया था? गैलीलियन। और गैलीलियो आज के कितने तारीख हो गया? आज 22 जून। आज के दिन में गैलीलियो को ना जेल में डाल दिया था जब उसने इसकी। हु इज कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी? तो ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी का फादर कौन है? फ्रेडरिच रेटजल। विच बुक डिड फ्रेडरिच रेटजल राइट? तो आपका क्या है? एंथ्रोपोजियोग्राफी। Who first made the map of the world on the basis of scale? Anaximander. The residents of which place are considered to be the father of astronomy? Babylon. कहाँ के? बेबीलोन। और बेबीलोन से कौन आया? बेबीलोन किसकी मृत्यु हुई थी लौटते वक्त? सिकंदर की। Who first depicted India on the world map? तो आपका टोलेमी था। कौन था? Who first made the map of India? तो एनविले। किसने? 1752 AD में। The residents of which country first considered the seasonal nature of monsoon? तो inhabitant of Arab. Important theories and their proponents. Who was the proponents of the determinism theory? तो कौन था? हम्बोल्ट रेटर। हु इज कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिज्म? विदाल दे ला ब्लेचे। हु वाज द proponent of survival of the fittest theory? Charles Darwin. Which German geographer first propounded the industrial localization theory? तो Weber. Who is the father of modal concept? Peter Haggett. Who was the proponent of geosyncline theory? James Hall and James D. Dana. Which scholar gave the heartland theory? Halford John
Mackinder.
Which geographer introduced the concept of stop and go determinism? The Griffith Taylor. Which geographer said that climate deeply affects man, his culture and geological processes? Ellsworth and Tisdale. Which geographer has written the book The New World Problem in Political Geography? Isaac Omen. Which geographer advised the nature is not inevitable but permissible? Jean Bruns. नेक्स्ट आपका इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करा देते हैं खाली। What is the study of universe called?
Cosmology.
तो ये बहुत बार एग्जाम में आती है, क्या आती है? स्टडी ऑफ यूनिवर्स को क्या कहते हैं? कॉस्मोलॉजी की जो कॉन्सेप्ट वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है? बिग बैंग थ्योरी। किसने?
Big Bang Theory.
तो द बिग बैंग इज ए फिजिकल थ्योरी दैट एक्सप्लेन हाउ द यूनिवर्स एक्सपेंडेड फ्रॉम an initial state of high density and temperature. It was first proposed by a physical theory by Roman physicist George Lemaître in the year 1931 when he suggested that the universe emerged from a primordial atom. Next question है, who presented the Big Bang theory propounded by George Lemaître in detail? Robert Wagner. Who was the proponent of extended universe hypothesis?
Edwin Hubble.
In which of his book had the great physicist Stephen Hawking spotted the Big Bang theory?
A Brief History of Time.
Who introduced the concept of pulsating theory?
Alan Sanders.
जो ओल्ड ईयर में आई वही क्वेश्चन करा रहे हैं, ठीक है। Higgs boson is related to which Indian scientist?
Satyendra Bose.
तो सत्येंद्रनाथ बोस ने कौन सी किसे था? हिग्स बोसोन। On which theory is the effect of light being affected by gravity, the continuous expansion of the universe and the expansion of matter from its space-time based on the theory of relativity? What name have scientists given to the substance from which every object in the universe is made?
Matter.
Which hypothesis oblique theory explain the origin of the universe?
Big Bang Theory.
Big Bang theory describes the
Origin of the universe.
which scientist thought about the concept of steady state of the universe?
Fred Hoyle.
Fred Hoyle. Which scientist modify the nebular hypothesis in 1796 AD? Pierre Laplace. Which is the most widely accepted model to explain the formation and evolution of the solar system?
Nebula hypothesis.
In which galaxy is our solar system located?
Milky Way.
और मिल्की वे का दूसरा नाम क्या है? आकाश गंगा। विच गैलेक्सी इज लोकेटेड क्लोजेस्ट टू द मिल्की वे?
Andromeda Galaxy.
तो हमारी मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी के नजदीक कौन सी है? एंड्रोमेडा। विच गैलेक्सी इज कॉल्ड द पेनिनसुलर यूनिवर्स?
Milky Way Galaxy.
Which is the brightest and faintest region of the Milky Way?
Galactic Center.
Galactic.
Center.
What is the value of parsec, the unit used to find the distance of star and other celestial bodies from the Earth?
3.25 light years.
हाँ, तो एक पार्सेक के बराबर कितना होता है? 3.
25 light years.
In what form is the Milky Way classified?
As a spiral galaxy.
तो as a
Spiral galaxy.
which trend has been found regarding the distance between galaxy?
Increasing order.
The distance.
Distance between galaxies is increasing.
How many constellations are there in space?
88.
What is that fixed star called whose position does not change from the Earth?
Pole star.
Why are the stars are more visible in the west than in the east? Reason for the rotation of the
Earth.
which of these not found in space? Pulsar, brittle star, quasar. कौन सा है? brittle star. According to the International Astronomical Union, the largest in space is
Saturn.
Taurus constellation. Constellation कितने बताए थे? 88. Which celestial body shines in the sky at night?
Stars.
Which is the brightest star in the sky?
Sirius or Dog star.
Which is the farthest star in the universe?
Erendel.
The color of star depends on
Temperature.
what is a star which collapses on its own and whose acceleration due to gravity on its surface is large called?
Black hole.
95% of mass of universe is made up of invisible substance. It is full of, by what name is it known?
By the name of dark matter.
Constellation. What are the different patterns formed or created by different group of star called?
Constellation.
और अभी constellation कितने बताए थे?
88.
What is the total number of constellation in the sky?
27.
स्पेस में कितने? 88. और स्काई में?
27.
What are Saptarshi and Agastya considered to be?
Constellation.
What do you call one of the most famous constellation which we can see during early part of night during summer?
Ursa Major.
Which is considered to be the largest constellation?
Hydra.
Which constellation is also called the Hunter?
Orion.
तो हंटर को क्या हंटर को किस नाम से जानते हैं?
Orion.
और लार्जेस्ट कॉन्स्टेलेशन कौन सा है?
Hydra.
Which constellation has a large nebula which is still giving birth to stars?
Orion.
Which is the brightest star in the Orion constellation?
Betel.
The position of which star can be found with the help of Orion constellation?
Cyrus.
Great Bear constellation is made up of how many bright stars?
7.
What is the distance of pole star from the earth?
390 light years.
390.
Light years.
How many times bigger is the diameter of pole star than the sun?
30 times.
For whom is the pole star considered helpful?
Stellar.
Sun's halo is produced by reflection of light.
In the ice crystals of cirrus clouds.
What is the radiant surface of the sun called?
Photosphere.
In what form is energy developed from the outer surface of the sun?
As photon bundles.
कौन सी पेज पलटे जा रही है? काफी देर हो गई. What is the outermost visible area of sun called during a solar eclipse?
Sun corona.
Which is the main celestial body of the solar system?
Sun.
Which is the largest star in the solar system?
Sun.
What is the source of energy of the sun or other stars?
Nuclear fusion.
Which scientist first said that the sun is located in the central part and other planets revolve around it?
Copernicus.
What is the shining surface of the sun called?
Photosphere.
What is the twin star of sun called?
Nemesis.
What are the brief bursts of energy produced from the sun's photosphere called?
Solar flare.
The core of Mercury is made of which metal or element?
Iron.
The density of Mercury 5.5 gram per centimeter cube is approximately equal to that of which planet?
Earth.
Which planet do not have satellite revolving around them?
Mercury and Venus.
मरकरी और विनस की कोई सैटेलाइट,
नहीं है.
अर्थ की सिर्फ एक है और मार्स की दो है. इनर प्लानेट में सिर्फ कितनी सैटेलाइट हैं? सिर्फ 3, 2 मार्स की और एक अर्थ की. What is the period of rotation of Venus around the sun?
255 days.
In which direction does Venus rotate on its axis?
From east to west.
यानी clockwise. Which is the brightest planet in the sky at night?
Venus. Lucifer.
और वेनस को दूसरा किस नाम से? लूसीफर प्लानेट. Which planet also called morning star?
Venus planet.
कौन सा है?
Venus planet.
Which planet rotates in the opposite direction as compared to other planets?
Venus planet.
Which planet is made up of a thick layer of white icy color of sulfuric acid?
Venus planet.
Which planet rotates clockwise as compared to other planets?
Venus planet.
What is the name of natural satellite of Earth?
Moon.
What type of celestial body is Earth?
Planet.
What is the shape of Earth?
Geoid.
How many degrees does the Earth rotate on its own axis in 1 hour?
15 degree.
By which process does the Earth crust move, rise or form?
Laminar deformation.
In which orbit do satellites revolve around the Earth just above the equator?
Geostationary orbit.
What is the approximate distance between the Earth and the Sun during the event of aphelion?
152 million kilometers.
Which is the highest mountain peak on Mars?
Olympus Mons.
What are the name of 2 satellites present on Mars?
Phobos and Deimos.
On which date did the Phoenix Mars lander land on the surface of Mars?
on 25th May 2008.
What is the orbital period of Mars around the Sun?
687 days.
USA launched a rover named Perseverance for the study of which planet?
Mars.
What is the name of the mission of Saudi Arab Emirates with the help of Japan for Mars?
Oh.
Which planet can be suitable for the existence of life?
Mars.
How many satellites does Mars have?
2.
On which planet did NASA scientists discover the source of water?
Mars.
Which planet comes under the category of terrestrial planet?
Mars.
तो टेरेस्ट्रियल में आपका कौन कौन से 4 आते हैं? मरकरी, वेनस, अर्थ और मार्स. Which analogy has been given to Jupiter due to its hug size?
Master of gods.
What is Jupiter's ring made of?
Silicate.
Between which 2 planets is the asteroid belt located?
Mars and Jupiter.
In early 1610 AD, who discovered with his newly invented telescope that Jupiter has 4 satellites?
Galileo Galilei.
Which does not contain the Galilean satellite of Jupiter?
Deimos.
Deimos किसकी है? मार्स की. The celestial body that revolves around the sun between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter is called?
Asteroid.
What is the average density of Saturn, which is the lowest among all the planets?
1.41 grams per cubic centimeter.
सबसे अधिक डेंसिटी किसकी होती है? अर्थ की. और सबसे कम किसकी है? सैटर्न. Which gas is found on highest quantity in the atmosphere of Saturn?
Methane.
Who was the first person to accurately describe the ring of Saturn as a disk around the planet in 1655 AD?
Christian Huygens.
Which is the largest moon of Saturn?
Titan.
और सबसे ज़्यादा सैटेलाइट किसकी है आज की डेट में? सैटर्न की. पहले किसकी होती थी? जुपिटर की. नेक्स्ट आपका है विच प्लानेट एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन इज हाईली इंक्लाइंड?
Uranus.
80 डिग्री, 82 एंड हाफ. कौन सा झुका हुआ है?
Uranus.
In which direction does Uranus complete one revolution on its axis?
From east to west.
Who discovered Uranus?
William Herschel.
Neptune. Which is the most distant planet among the planets of the solar system?
Neptune.
Which is the most atmospheric planet in the solar system?
Neptune.
The Kuiper belt is a ring of icy rocks and dust bodies located just outside the orbit of
Neptune.
which planet has the longest period of year?
Neptune.
Who discovered Neptune?
John Kelly.
By what name is the planet Pluto known?
Dwarf planet.
पहले इसको प्लानेट कैटेगरी माना गया था लेकिन बाद में इसको ड्वार्फ प्लानेट. ठीक है. Which planet is called dwarf planet? Pluto. Which is the nearest dwarf planet ever discovered, orbiting at only 2.8 times the distance of Earth from the Sun?
Sirius.
चलो एक बार इसको planet with the shortest year,
Mercury.
planet with the longest temperature difference,
Mercury.
the planet with the fastest rotation,
Jupiter.
planet closest to the Earth,
Venus.
planet with the lowest rotation speed,
Venus.
hottest planet,
Venus.
morning star.
Venus.
The planet that appears red at night.
Mars.
Largest satellite.
Ganymede.
गैनीमेड किसकी है? नहीं, गैनीमेड किसकी है? जुपिटर। स्मॉलेस्ट सैटेलाइट?
Venus.
डीमोस किसकी है? मार्स। ब्लू प्लैनेट? द प्लैनेट विद द हाईएस्ट डेंसिटी? द प्लैनेट विद द जिएंट रेड स्पॉट?
Jupiter.
द प्लैनेट विद द मोस्ट सैटेलाइट?
Saturn.
द प्लैनेट दैट अपीयर्स ग्रीन?
Uranus.
Planet revolving from north to south?
Uranus.
Lying down planet?
Uranus.
Coldest planet in the solar system?
Uranus.
Planet farthest from the sun?
Neptune.
The planet revolving at the lowest speed?
Neptune.
आज का टॉपिक यहीं तक है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलेंगे। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, ताकि हमारा एनर्जी हमें इसी से, लाइक से और सब्सक्राइब से मिलता है। धन्यवाद।